Updating your profile information on the Online Efiko. If you wish to update your profile information, start by logging into the Online Efiko. Simply click on the two lines at the top right side of the page. The menu will drop down. Click your profile name, and after it loads, click on Profile. This brings up different headers. Go to the header that says User Details. It will drop down more menus. Click on Edit Profile. This will load all your profile information and settings, explore them, and update your information as you desire. Now, once you are done, click on Update Profile and your changes will be saved. Your profile is now updated.